factory wheels. Listen, I'm not talking down on the truck, but the wheels just ugly to me. I said, let us put our touch on it.
Right.
So that's when I handed it over to my partner.
Yeah. That's when I scuffed it up real good, painted over the silver, because they had silver and black. It was like a two-tone color. And I made it all into one, gloss black. That's what we got.
Same day.
Yeah.
Same day.
Yeah.
Right? We know you want your vehicle back. Shoot, if I had this type of vehicle, I want it back right away. We don't have time to drop it off for weeks and 2 weeks to get it right back to you. Come see us at BWI Motorsport.